Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select preferred language, but I'll just stay with English. Tap start. Then you have to accept terms of use. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services, just disable all ticks here. Tap next. Then have to set up date and time. Then you can protect your device with screen lock, but you can just skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can name your device and tap finish. And your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.